Avery, are you gonna walk to Mama? Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Yay! You did it! You want to try it again? Come here. Good girl. Hold on. Hold, get your balance. Hold on, hold on. Stand up. Let me help you. Okay, ready? Come on. Come on, Avery. Yay! Come on. Come here to Mommy. Avery, walk to Mama. Are you going to diaper? Avery, bring it to Mama. Can I have it? Bring it here.
One night, especially where I felt like it was
Yeah. Come on.
a week before Chris and I broke up.
Yay! You did it! Yay! Good girl.
Really early in the morning around 2.
Avery, what does a puppy do?
Mom.
What does a puppy do? Go. Uh-huh. Look at how dirty your shirt is.
And the kids were sitting on the they all came out.